Your mind never stops. It keeps running, replaying, overthinking, and worrying about everything that could go wrong. But what if I told you peace isn't something you find, it's something you create? And today, I'll show you how to create it naturally, powerfully, and permanently. Stress and anxiety are not signs of weakness. They're signals. Signals that your body and mind are out of balance, asking for attention, not judgment. We live in a world that never slows down. Notifications, pressure, expectations, competition. It's easy to feel lost, exhausted, and mentally drained. But remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. The first step to overcoming stress isn't to escape the noise. It's to learn how to stay calm within it. Start your mornings with silence, just 5 minutes of breathing deeply, feeling your thoughts settle like dust after a storm. Go outside, touch the earth, feel the sunlight on your face. Nature is the oldest and most powerful medicine for a tired mind. And here's the truth. You don't heal by doing everything. You heal by letting go of what's draining you. Let go of perfection. Let go of comparing yourself to others. Let go of what you can't control. Replace your overthinking with action. Replace your fear with faith. Replace your noise with peace. Because when you calm your mind, your entire world changes. Stress loses its power, anxiety fades, and peace becomes your natural state. You don't need to run from stress. You just need to rise above it. Breathe deeply, slow down, and remember, peace is not the absence of problems. It's the mastery of your mind.